How to delete your Temu account. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now navigate to the U page. Once you're in the U page, at the top right corner, you're going to find this settings icon. Click on it. Now head over to the option of account security. Here you're going to find different options. Scroll all the way down. Navigate to the option of delete your Temu account. Now I have to check in for this option. I want to permanently delete my Temu account, and then click on continue. Now here you have to give a reason why do you want to delete your account. Then click on continue. Click on delete. Verify your identity. You can use your email address or password. I have selected password. After you type in, click on continue. Successfully requested. You will be automatically signed out of your account and it will be deleted in 7 business days. If you wish to cancel the request, you may sign in to cancel the request and keep your account. Click on confirm. After completion of 7 days, your account will be permanently deleted. So this is how you can easily delete your Temu account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.